Alright, this is my desktop. But, not for long. Don't skip. Watch it all the way, and you'll be able to build it too. Go to the Microsoft Store, search for Lively Wallpaper, and install it. Grab Translucent TB2. We'll be using it soon. Check the link in the description. Download this awesome live wallpaper. And one more thing. Download and install RoundedTB. The link's down in the description. Go ahead and launch Lively Wallpaper. Add the wallpaper you downloaded so we can set it up. Watch the entire video from start to finish. Don't skip or rewind, so you don't miss anything. Now I'm going to move all these messy desktop icons into a hidden folder. If you want to learn how to make that hidden folder, let me know in the comments. I can show you in a short video, or right there in the replies. Okay, open up Translucent TB. Then, right-click its icon down on the taskbar, open the desktop menu, and hit clear. Oh, and seriously, don't forget to turn on Open at Boot. Alright, now open RoundedTB. Copy my exact settings. This'll make the right side of your taskbar look super clean, and it only appears when you hover your mouse over it. Pretty cool, right? Go ahead and install Rainmeter from the link in the description. After installing, remove the default widgets by right-clicking each one and selecting Unload. I've uploaded both widget files for you, and the link's down in the description. Just download them and unzip the folder. Copy both folders and paste them into this path. That's how Rainmeter detects them. Alright, now open up Rainmeter. Go to the folders we just added and load the widgets. You'll see a few clock widgets and one for your apps. Where you place each widget matters a lot. Seriously, pay attention. That's what makes your setup look beautiful. You can also use the settings folder to change the clock's color. But honestly, I wouldn't. The white one just fits our background better. Okay, now let's check out the dock. You'll find it in the SpaceX folder. There's also a settings folder here where you can change the color, but honestly, I'd stick with white. It just fits the setup better. Hey buddy, with all the chaos on YouTube, you'll probably lose me out there. So hit that subscribe button right now. And if you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to drop a like. Now go ahead and download Jaxcore. The link is right below the video. Alright, open up the app, go to the library and pick Modular Player. Under General, choose this music player. And down below, there's a Customize option. I suggest setting the size exactly like mine. I don't really want these apps sitting on my screen either. So yeah, I'm hiding them too. Your like helps this video reach more people, buddy. And make sure to subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.